Welcome back, dear students. So today's video or today's class is going to be the last class on exercise 16b. Okay, so today I'll start my session with question number 15, which says the difference between exterior angles of two regular polygon having the sides equal to n-1 and n plus 1 is 9 degree. Find the value of n. Okay, so let's try and understand the case here. So there are two regular polygons, okay, and out of them one is having n-1 sides and the other one is having n plus 1 sides. Okay, now obviously the one which is having less number of sides, that is n-1, will have more exterior angle, isn't it? I mean to say, more, the measure of exterior angle will be more. Okay, and if the number of sides is more, then the measurement of the exterior angle will be less. Okay, so here what is given? The difference between the measures of exterior angle is given to be 9 degree. Okay, now let's see how to find the value of n. So if the size of a regular polygon is n-1, okay, now you know the value of each exterior angle is given by 360 degree divided by number of sides, which is n-1. Okay, now similarly let's find what will be the number of what will be the exterior angle, measure of each exterior angle if the number of sides are n plus 1. Then the measure of each exterior angle will be 360 divided by number of sides, which is n plus 1. Okay, now according to the condition, the difference between the exterior angle, okay, so that is, you know, this is bigger as I said earlier. So if you subtract the smaller from bigger, okay, you get 9. That is the difference of exterior angle is going to be 9. So let's find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so first and foremost we see 360 degrees common. So when you take out 360 outside, you have 1 by n-1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so here onwards what you need to do? You need to find the LCM. So it becomes n-1 into n plus 1. Okay, so divide this LCM by n-1. So you see that n-1 and n-1 gets cancelled. So you have only n plus 1 left, right? So n plus 1 into this 1 gives you n plus 1. Sign is minus here, okay, so it's minus. Now again divide this LCM by n plus 1. N plus 1 and n plus 1 gets cancelled. So you have n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1. But because of this minus, you have n, this becomes minus n, and minus into minus becomes plus here. Okay, now if you observe here, minus n and plus n, they gets cancelled, isn't it? So how much do you get? So in the numerator you have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So 2 into 360 degree. So we have 360 here, right? So 2 into 360 degree, and in the denominator we have n minus 1 into n plus 1, which is in the formula a square minus b square, and this will become n square minus 1. Okay, so simplify this. So when you bring this 9 out there and n square minus 1 here, you get 2 into 360 divided by 9. So simplify this, it turns out to be 80. So bring this 1 over there, so you get n square equals to 80 plus 1, which is 81. So from here we see that the value of n is nothing but just 9. Okay, so what we are asked to find? We are asked to find the number of sides. I'm sorry, this is the mistake I've done here. This is not the number of sides. They have just asked you to find the value of n. Okay, so you have to write therefore n equals to 9. Okay, so please do not write this last part. Okay, so pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's have question number 17, and this is going to be my last problem. After this I'll give you a few homeworks which we have already seen. Okay, similar kind of problems I'm giving you as homework. Question says the ratio between the number of sides of two regular polygons is 3:4. Okay, so it is given to be 3:4, remember, and the ratio between the sum of their interior angles is 2:3. Find the number of sides in each polygon. So basically there are two regular polygons whose number of sides are in the ratio 3:4. That means if the first one is having the number of sides to be 3n, then the next one will have 4n as the number of sides. Okay, now you know for the first polygon number of sides 3n, and for the second polygon number of sides is 4n. Now if you know the number of sides, can't we find their sum of interior angles? Yes. So sum of interior angles of the first polygon, remember the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n stands for number of sides. But for the first polygon, what is the number of sides? It is 3n, isn't it? So that's why in the formula we have to write 3n minus 2. Remember this stands for number of sides, so 3n minus 2 into 180 degree. Similarly, the sum of interior angles of the second polygon will be number of sides is 4n, so that's why it will be 4n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so here what is given? The ratio of sum of the interior angles is given to be 2:3. Now for the first polygon, sum of the interior angles is this much, and for the second one it is this much. So if you find the ratio, it is 2/3 or 2:3. That's what the question says. Now cancel 180 degree, so you get 3n minus 2 divided by 4n minus 2 equals to 2/3. Solve this. Okay, I have directly written the formula, so I expect you to solve this, and when you solve this you get the value of n to be 2. Okay, question is asking you find the number of sides in each polygon. Now in the first polygon, number of sides is 3n, and we got the value of n to be 2. So that's why number of sides in the first polygon is 3n, which is 3 into 2, as the value of n is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So that means the first polygon has 6 sides, and similarly the number of sides of second polygon is 4n, where the value of n is 2. So that's why 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so that means my answers are 6 and 8 in this case. All right, so with this we close for the day. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. So your homeworks are on the screen, so you will try them. Okay, and with this we close. Thank you very much.